It isn't so hot today. How nice. For the monkeys too. Even their summer coat must feel like wearing a jumper for them. This has to be the car park troop. I don't think we will see Nora's troop today. Looks like a mother has lost her baby over there. Marigold is asking for permission to babysit, without realizing that the baby is long dead. Their concept of death is vague and they don't begin to grasp it until the body begins to rot. Even then, I still haven't a clue whether they understand it as death like humans do. In 2 to 3 days, she will discard the body. It must be Skullhead's troop over there. Yes, it's them indeed. Let's hope I can find Tina and Teensy. I have the special puree with me. Teensy really was attracted to the wholesome mixture of cooked soybeans and peanuts. First the wild boar, and before we knew it, Tina had had enough herself and ran away with Teensy. Too bad the circumstances just weren't conducive to anything. But the single biggest hurdle surprisingly proves to be Teeny herself. She is just at the age when she is crazy about babies, and is big and strong enough to kidnap her own baby sister for her craze. And so Teensy is faring much worse than Teeny was. Any time away from her mum Tina because of Teeny means more time starving when she could at least get something from Tina's poor quality milk. And scrawny and undernourished Teensy doesn't have much energy reserve to begin with. Teensy should be healthy and active like this one had Tina not had a problem with her milk. Had Teensy been a strong and active baby, Teeny as a babysitter is more than welcome. Dopey's boy band. Tabby's ousted sons are now with them. The boy band marks the limits of Skullhead's troop. Indeed, here comes Jubilee troop, brought along by a casual feeder. A mega troop themselves, Skullhead's troops equal. They know the rules and seldom proceed beyond where the boy band is. No war if they can avoid it. Oh shit! What has happened to that poor yearling? A wound exactly like Stumpy's. The work of a leg hold trap, no doubt about it. These traps are laid by those illegal poachers of wild boars. Unfortunately, not a small number of monkeys have fallen victim to them. Recently, one of the visitors had caught footage of these poachers in the act of killing a wild boar on a dashboard cam and passed it on to the police. Unfortunately, it is still not accepted as valid evidence. And so we will still see this type of injuries from time to time on our furry cousins. The only saving grace is they usually survive wounds like this one with their superb immunity and healing power in the wild. A single wild sow averages 5 to 12 piglets in a litter every 4 to 5 months, and is in estrus again almost immediately afterwards. A female can reach sexual maturity within a year, and so the cycle continues. Controlled and legal hunting of them perhaps should be introduced again. I think we have another ousted boy here. It's Dark, firstborn of Dharma in Annie's troop in 2017. An exact contemporary of Spocky, he actually had overstayed in his natal troop. And by the look of it, he is trying to join Jubilee troop. Good luck, Dark. And so back in Skullhead's territory now. It doesn't seem like our gang has at all arrived yet. And there, behold, is Tina with her 2 daughters. And with them too is Teeny's savior 2 years ago. Look at poor Teensy. What has happened to her right eye? That really looks like a little bruise to me. I think Teensy must have fallen earlier today. And guess what? I don't think it was Tina who was careless though. It sounds like they must have got themselves some goodies from that casual visitor we saw passing by earlier on. But not something Lil Teensy could take. Thank God, Tina has caught Teeny in her act just right in time. Teeny's mothering instinct is now detrimental to Teensy's survival. The next installment will continue on my new channel, The Story So Far. Enjoy!